It's that time of year again, budget season. You can feel the tension in the air as you sit down to draft your department's budget proposal. Does the mere thought of it make your stomach churn? You're not alone. Many technology leaders face the same challenge. You know you have to submit a budget, but sometimes it feels like you are sending your requests into a black hole. You're unsure how it fits into the organization's grand plan. Fear not, because today we are embarking on a journey together. This is the first installment of a series we are kicking off that is entirely dedicated to demystifying the budget process. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about budgeting and our role as technology leaders in the process. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I have over 25 years of hands-on experience in technology leadership. I've dedicated my career to delivering solutions, growing teams, and helping individuals just like you unlock their full potential. Through this channel, I aim to provide practical insights so seasoned tech experts turned managers can bridge the gap between their technical prowess and leadership excellence. So, what exactly is a budget, and why is it so crucial? At its core, a budget is a financial plan that outlines your department's expected income and expenses over a specified period. But it's not just about numbers. It's a strategic tool. Budgets help you allocate resources efficiently, set clear financial goals, and ensure you're in control of your department's financial health. For example, your technology budget may include staff, software as a service, circuits, contractors, and more. These are placed into larger categories such as salaries and wages, software, telecommunications, and consulting services, to name a few. Your IT budget is then rolled up within the larger organizational one. Once the budget is approved, it serves as a roadmap to guide your actions and decisions. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. In any organization, budgets are interconnected. Your technology team's budget is just one piece of the puzzle, fitting into the larger organizational budget. Your budget doesn't exist in isolation. Every dollar spent in your department affects the organization as a whole. So why is it crucial for technology leaders to think in terms of the big picture? As a technology leader, your role in the budgeting process is multifaceted. You're not just managing technology, you're also managing resources. Let's discuss what your executives expect from technology leaders throughout this process. First and foremost, executives expect that technology leaders are aligning IT budgets with strategic goals. All technology investments and expenditures should directly support the organization's broader mission. This alignment justifies the budget and ensures that technology efforts contribute to the company's success. This includes every full-time employee position, contractor, software, and service. You need to know how each line item connects to the organizational strategy. Our people are our greatest asset. They're also our largest expense. Your second role is understanding your resource allocation. Efficiently allocating resources within the technology budget is crucial. This includes prioritizing projects and initiatives, allocating funds to address critical needs, and effectively managing resources, including people's time, to maximize their impact. Balancing various technology requirements while staying within budget constraints is a key challenge. We are commonly asked to keep our budgets flat while increasing services. Our third role in the budget process is managing technology-related costs. Technology budget can easily escalate, so controlling expenses is essential. This involves continuously monitoring expenditures, seeking cost savings opportunities, and implementing cost control measures without compromising the quality of technology services and solutions. We need to demonstrate our various efforts to control costs. It is not enough to say we are working with vendors or doing our best. We must show our work by documenting cost avoidance and contract renegotiation efforts. Our fourth role in the budget process is risk management. This may sound strange if you're not the cybersecurity director. Yet, as most of us have learned, addressing technology-related risks is the job of everyone within an organization. As a technology leader, we need to consider cybersecurity threats, data breaches, system downtime, and other potential risks in the budget. When we are planning new projects or considering cost-trimming options, we need to ensure we keep our organizations safe. The fifth and final role we play in the budgeting process is providing return on investment and spending justification in brief business language. Often, we explain our budget using highly technical terms. We need to remember the audience is usually finance and others outside of IT. Providing a strong business case for technology investments is critical. Technology leaders must justify budget allocations by demonstrating the expected return on investment, ROI, for renew requests and spending justifications for ongoing operations, especially those that increase costs. This includes presenting clear and data-driven arguments for how technology initiatives will deliver value, improve efficiency, increase revenue, or reduce costs. Caution here: if you state work effort time will be saved with the proposed project, the next question is whether people will be let go. Be prepared for this question. If the answer is no, state where their saved time will go. It is vital to understand the role a budget plays in your technology department and its connection to the larger organization's budget. As a technology leader, you're not just managing technology. You're shaping your organization's future. In the upcoming installments of this series, we will dive deeper into the common language used during the budgeting process, ways to get ahead, and how to navigate the process successfully. So, stay tuned and remember, mastering budgeting is a key step on your journey to becoming a successful technology leader. Please remember to subscribe by clicking the TLD logo and check out these other learning videos. And as always, let's keep learning and growing together. See you next time.